My 5 favorite things about this vacuum: I really like the suction. I love that I can manipulate between low, medium, and high, and it goes easily between our area rug, our hardwood carpet, and I love that the head is narrow enough that I can go one-handed straight to stairs and keep on going. I really don't even have to do anything besides reduce the length of the stick if I want to, and it's easy to just keep popping around the house, catching everything as I go. I also love the runtime. It's 65 minutes runtime, 2.5 hours to fully charge. It does stand on its own. I find the suction great. I really love those nerdy lines that it makes in the carpet, but it's so easy to go under all of our furniture. I find that the head spins really easily, and love that I can just go from any of our rugs straight to the hardwood and back. It's pretty seamless. The touchscreen control is really easy to manipulate as well. And I find that it picks up all of the hair in our house. We have 3 girls. They might as well be pets because they shed like crazy. And I can get under the couches. I can get under the furniture. Seamless. I really don't have to stop at all. And that's been a game changer for us. I also love that it has the HEPA filtration. It's got 5 stages of that, multiple filters. Most of them are washable. So it does design to collect most of the fine particles, allergens, hair, all the things. And in addition to keeping that bottom clean, it's really easy to dump the canister where all the dust collects. It is a one-handed, a little bit hard with this angle, but one-handed push release. Those filters in there are all washable, so super easy to clean it, and it snaps right back in. Super easy. Rotating head, also very easy to maintain. It comes with this tool that literally slices through the hair. We really collect a lot of hair. This is just from our stairs and that one rug I showed, and it is picking up all the hair. There's a knife on the end of this inside that just pulls through the hair and gets it out. And as far as the flexibility of the components, this is nice and lightweight, easy to hold. It does have a rechargeable battery. I have it plugged in right now, but you simply attach it to a standard wall outlet. It does recharge the battery fully in 2.5 hours. Unplug it, snap it in, and it's good to go. You can manipulate everything with just a one-touch system. It's showing about 60% charged. I can manipulate between low, medium, and high settings. Really easy to contain. That's the canister where all of the hair collects. There's that one button release, super easy. And it comes all the way off should you want to clean any of the filters. Here's one filter. It's a washable sponge. This is your HEPA filter. This is also washable. I love that part of it. So easy. It does come with extra backups of the foam filter as well as the other paper filter that's in the top of the machine. Standard air intake valve. That's also super easy to clean as well. It snaps together. With one click, you know it's locked in when you hear the sound, and it's good to go. Super easy to keep it clean. This is where you add all the attachments. You've got a lot of choices here. Here's your expandable flexible arm. It is a one button push system. It can expand all the way out or in depending on the activity you're doing. It also comes with, that's your area to hang it on the wall. Here's your thin attachment and your adjustable one as well. It can either go into the corner crevice or you can use the bristles, kind of whatever you need. These are great for cars, small areas, things of that nature. Love the flexibility and how easily these pop in and pop out, but they stay nice and tight. Here's your rotary head. I love the flexibility of how much this thing shifts and moves. Rotating head has been very effective at getting hair for me, and it really does just shift and get under any furniture. I really like that. It's nice and compact, only about 1.5 inches high. I like that it comes with all the additional washable filters, and this is that little brush where you can get in the filters or pull the hair out of the head. And most importantly, fully cordless. Love the digital display. It cleans fast for me from furniture to floors to tight corners. I haven't had any problem with hair or dust, deep carpets or flat. It's just really doing the job for me. Super lightweight, super easy to use. Love that there's no cords. If you're on the fence with this one, I've been really happy. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this helps, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.